विसवा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. भाजप सरकाराक केंद्रान सत्ता मेळून 4 वर्सां पुराय जाली. मोदी सरकारान निवडणुका पयलीं दिल्ली आश्वासनां पुराय केल्ली नात. लोकांची फक्त फसवणूक केल्या. ताका लागून काँग्रेसीन केंद्र सरकाराचो निशेध करून 2019च्या वेंचणुकेन केंद्राक परत एक फावट काँग्रेस सरकार येतलो म्हण ॲडव्होकेट रमाकांत खलप उलयल्यात. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Demonetization resulted in 15 lakh jobs against official figures.
Led to 15,000.
15 lakh jobs.
15 lakh.
It affected the GDP आणि गरीब लोक खूप मोठ्या संकटांतल्यान सुमार 2 वर्सां गेले या डिमॉनिटायझेशन लागून. GDP ग्रोथ, देशाची उदरगत कशी जाता हे मेजपाचें जे एक मोजमाप आसा, ते मोजमाप म्हणजे GDP ग्रोथ. एज पर Reserve Bank of India, there have been during the last 5 years reported 23,000 cases of fraud involving 1 lakh crore, more than 1 lakh crore. On the defense front, government told us that they're buying these Rafale aircrafts. As against the agreement signed by the previous UPA with France, the BJP government ended up paying an extra amount of 41,205 crore out of the public exchequer. Till today, no explanation has come forward. A very spacious agreement has been made, a statement has been made that this cannot be disclosed in public interest, and calls upon the people of India to be ready to dislodge this government in the next parliamentary elections, 2019, and to install a public-oriented government which will ensure equality, brotherhood among people of India, and convert this country into a nation of prosperity, stability, and might among the committee of faith.
नाका जाल्ले अत्याचार, बलात्कार, भ्रष्टाचार हे मायनॉरिटीचे चाललेले आसा. हे आयज मायनॉरिटी सोंसता. जेन्ना टायम येता तेन्ना लोक बॉक्सान EVM मिशिनाचेर कितें मारपाचो तेच मारता. आज कर्नाटकाक दाखयला लोकांनी कशें कितें तें. आमी गव्हर्नराक मेमोरंडम दिलो. जशे परी कर्नाटकाक आयज मेजॉरिटी आसतना मायनॉरिटीचो CM केलो. 2 दिसांनी घरा गेलो. वी रिस्पेक्ट द ज्युडिशरी, Honorable Supreme Court, and they have given the right judgment, and today people are happy of Karnataka.